I'm Cynthia from Empower to Free, and today we will be looking at the basics of investing. You may be wondering, why is it important for me to understand investing? Well, investing is becoming a common alternative source of income apart from employment. This is as opening a trading account is easy and the experience has been gamified. Sadly, it is not a game. Without understanding what we are getting into, we can potentially land ourselves in debt or even lose a lot of money, which is something we definitely do not want to happen. Investments are not all bad. We just need to know what type of investing works best for us. To start off, let's cover the difference between trading and investing. I want you to visualize a marketplace where there are many individuals in the crowd. Some are there with money to purchase a product, while others are there to sell their produce. People who are looking to invest are there to purchase products that allow them to gain returns in the long run. An example would be someone buying a hen. So this hen lays eggs, which can then either be sold for money or grown into chickens for more eggs. On the other hand, people who are looking to trade do not want to hold on to the products. They want quick returns. In this scenario, they do not want to hold on to the hens for long. They will instead buy the hens cheap and then immediately sell them to another person for a higher price. At the end of the day, when they leave the marketplace, they are not holding on to any hens. Easy, right? I'm sure you can now tell the difference between trading and investing. How does this apply to us? For starters, if we want to earn extra income through investing, we have to decide what type of strategy we want to take on. Are you interested in rearing the hen? Or would you prefer to buy and sell? Now that you have decided, it is time to go deeper into exploring what product you want to buy. Investing is similar to buying items in a physical marketplace. There are various products and variation of products available. What we need to decide on first is what product and its variation we want to invest in. In the similar scenario, you would want to ask yourself, are you looking for a cow or a hen? If you're looking into cows, would they be brown cows or Wagyu beef? Decide which product you're interested in. Then, looking into the product, you need to consider which variation you want to buy or sell. For example, if you decide to look into milk, you would then also need to consider whether it's cow, goat, or almond milk that you're looking into. If you're wondering how to pick a product and its variation, we will cover more on this and factors of consideration in a separate video. Now that we have reached the end of this video, we hope that you have an idea of the basics of investments. If you'd like to learn more, check out our digital course available. Remember, you can make informed and confident money decisions. See you in our next video.